Viewers, welcome to my channel latest fashion trend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I started belonging in love when you said for the first time that love is beautiful thing. She wanted a puppy but I did not want to puppy, so we compromised and got a puppy. Money can't buy happiness, but it can help you look for it quicker in a convertible. A husband was asked, "Do you talk to wife after sex?" His answer, "Depends if I can find a phone." Marriage is a three-ring circus, an engagement ring, a wedding ring, a suffering. Love to minds without a single thought. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the right worthwhile. I am someone else when I am with you, someone more like myself. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Love is like war, easy to begin but very hard to stop. If I am worried with you, I like you. Nobody is worth your tears, and the one who is worth want to make you cry. Love is when you tell a guy you love his shirt, then he wear it every day. Not all men are fools, some stay bachelor. To the world you may be, but to one you might be the world. There are million things in the world I want, but I need is you. I am crazy, but original you try to be me and you fail. Love your love so much that you don't have to ask with whom you were. To be rich is not what you have in your bank account, but what you have in your heart. Love is not just about finding the right person, but creating a right relationship. True love doesn't have a happy ending, it has no ending. Always remember to smile because you never know who is falling in love with your smile. If you want stress-free life, don't accept anything from anyone. Expectations always hurts. Love doesn't lie, people do. Love doesn't leave, people do. Love won't hurt you, people will. No matter how busy a person is, if they really love, they will always find in time for you. Falling in love is only half of I want to staying in love with you for till forever is the other. You know you are in love when you see the world in her eyes and her eyes everywhere in the world. If I had flower for every time you made me smile and laugh, I had have a garden to walk in forever. Love is strongest force the world possesses, yet it is the humblest imaginable. Our day are happier when we give people bit of our heart rather than piece of our mind. The greatest advantage of speaking the truth is that you don't have to remember what you said. I have a bad habit of reading a text and forgetting to reply. My worst enemy is my heart because it is mine but beats for you only. I kept my heart strong like iron, but I don't know that your heart is a magnet. I love you dear with every beat of my heart. Please, thanks for watching my video.